minamahal kong estudyante, welcome po sa aking channel. Magandang umaga po. Alam ko, kayo ay limitado pa ng kaalaman tungkol sa basic concepts of child and adolescent development. Pero wag po kayong mag-alala sapagkat itong bidyong ito ay magbibigay sa inyo ng munting kaalaman tungkol po dito sa mga bagay na ito. Kaya panoorin po ninyo ito simula hanggang matapos. At siyempre, kung bago pa lang po kayo sa aking channel, bago kayo magpatuloy sa inyong panonood, makikibigyan naman po ako ng subscribe sa aking channel at pakiclick yung notification bell para ma-update po kayo sa susunod ko pong mga videos. Makiki-like and share na rin kung magugustuhan po ninyo itong video ito. Okay? So, simulan na natin. Basic concepts of child and adolescent development. We have growth. Growth refers to the progressive increase and continuous advancement of the child from birth to maturity. It is used to mean the increase in bodily tissues, organs, and structures, enlarged capacity, and changing proportions. It also includes increase in weight and of course height and size of a particular person. We have development. Development is the gradual and orderly unfolding of characteristics of the individuals as they go through successive growth. It involves changes from simple to complexity and increasing maturity of behavior, including organization of personality and character. So there's development actually in the behavior of a particular person. Development is consist of 4 types. We have physical development. Physical development pertains to the aspect of development which provides children with the abilities they need to explore and interact with the world around them. It includes different tasks and abilities like running, jumping, holding a pencil, and drawing, and many others. It also includes development of the brain. We have cognitive development. Cognitive development pertains to how children think, reason, use language, and process information. Another is socio-emotional development. It is the development of the child's personality, self-concept, identity, and social skills. And the last one is moral development. This refers to the physical growth or growth in the ability of children to use their bodies and their physical skills. Another concept is maturation. This is a part of development that is controlled, of course, from within the internal ripening aspects indicating that growth has reached its optimal uh, level. It is, or it designates a process of internal growth consisting chiefly of structural changes and coordination within the nervous system, together with a level of development of mental uh, functions, which is indicated by a state of readiness to engage a definite type of behavior. We have heredity. Heredity is the transmission of biological traits from parents to offspring through genes. The transfer of biological traits from parents to offspring is what we call heredity. And it's the genes responsible in carrying these biological traits to the children. Then we have environment. Environment is a total surrounding conditions that influence the growth, development, and survival of a particular person or of the person. It is considered as one of the risk factors on developmental problems. Why it is considered as risk factors? Because no matter how excellent are the genes in terms of biological characteristics brought to the offspring, and if or child, and if the child will be exposed in an environment that is not so very good, of course there is a tendency that developmental problems will occur in the child. That is why environment is considered as risk factors. There are so many negative experiences that the child can get from the environment. Environment includes the basic social units. We have the family. The family is considered as the basic social unit in the society for the child development that provides the child with affection, sense of belongingness, which may be nuclear or extended family. Another is peer group. Peer group composed of members who share certain social characteristics such as age class, occupation or education with a particular child, and is very important in the socialization process as the individual attempts to conform to the expectations of the peer or peer groups. We have the school. This is an institution for the continuation of the child's learning and development of his mental, social, and affective skills. You know, my dear students, the first teacher of the child are the parents. The parents teach the child honing the mental, social, and affective skills. And when the child enrolled in school, it's the teacher or teachers responsible in continuing the learning of the child. We have also the community. This is the society as a whole, the neighborhood, the different people residing in that particular society or community influence the growth and development of a particular child. And there are other basic social units contributory to the development of the child. We have also stages of development. This refers to the number of periods in the cycle in which the functions and relative emphasis of a given type of behavior differ from those at other periods of life. Life span of a particular person is arbitrarily divided into these stages or periods, with each period being part of a whole. And the last concept is developmental task. This refers to the behavior that are expected to be manifested at or about a certain period in the life of individual. The successful achievement of this task leads to the success in the later tasks. Success or failure in performing this different tasks may be affected by the physical maturation, cultural pressure, and family background or rearing uh, practices. Okay, so guys, these are the different concepts, basic concepts of child and adolescent development. And the information mm, in this video came from the lit review material on child and adolescent development developed by Dr. Helen F. De Los Santos and Dr. Conchita O. Manuel. So, thank you very much for watching this video. God bless you all and keep safe.